If you're selling print-on-demand goods, digital designs, handmade goods, or even online courses, the question eventually comes up, should I make the jump to have my own online store? Now, typically, designers start out on marketplaces like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon, and then eventually, many designers move to Etsy. Now, this gives sellers greater control over their shop, and you can gather client information on Etsy to help drive repeat business. But for many sellers, the day finally comes. It's time to move to your own online store. But here's the problem. Sites like Shopify and Wix can be extremely daunting and complex, and the learning curve and multitude of decisions can be overwhelming. HTML code, domain names, integration. Many sellers abandon their dreams of having their own online store because it's just too complicated. Everbee has offered up a great solution called Everbee STORE. Using Everbee STORE, you can launch your own online store in just minutes using the power of AI. In this video, let's check out this amazing opportunity for creators. So when you first log into Everbee, you're going to get this neat little option here. You can do Everbee Research, which we've all seen. I've got videos about that. We've got Everbee Email, which is how you can drive repeat sales. And check this out, Everbee STORE. Launch and scale a fully owned, artificial intelligence powered online store in minutes. I'm going to select this. Okay, and I've got a very simple prompt here. It says, hey there, ready to build your website? You can create with AI on the left. In the middle, you can import from Etsy if you've got your Etsy store and your data all ready to go, or you can migrate from Wix. So none of this is meant to replace your existing Etsy store. And if you're selling on websites like Redbubble or Merch by Amazon, absolutely keep doing that. This is a great opportunity for sellers and creators and designers to create with AI. And that's what we're going to do right now. I've clicked Create with AI, and then I'm going to click Get Started Now. And then from here, I simply type in what I would like to have. You can see the example here. I want to create an e-commerce store. Here I've typed in, I want to create a t-shirt shop that sells horror-themed apparel. And the AI even gives me suggestions. I want to create a unique space for fans of all things spooky. My goal is to provide stylish and comfortable apparel. I'm excited to share my vision of a t-shirt shop dedicated to horror enthusiasts. I'm going to pick this one here, and I'm going to click this arrow button. And now, through the power of AI, our smart brain here is going to create our store. As the store is getting created, I just want to mention, I'll put a link to Everbee in the video description below. Make sure to check it out, and you can also create your own store. This does take a couple minutes to create, but it is pretty quick overall. And the beauty is artificial intelligence is doing all the heavy lifting. Okay, and we've got a start of a web page here. Unleash your inner horror. Explore our chilling collection of t-shirts that scream horror style. Wear your fears and embrace the dark with a Shop Now button. This is now the creation of the website. I haven't typed in anything other than my description originally. Here I'll click Next. And we have some options. We can choose a color palette. I could go with a darker color palette, for example, or a lighter color palette. I've also got font pairings down below here too, so I could completely change the way my website looks simply by selecting my colors and my fonts. I've even got corner radiuses as well. You can see the Shop Now button changes simply by clicking buttons here on the left-hand side. And that also expands down into other areas of the website as well. This is a template that's being set up, and now I'm going to click the next button here, 3 of 3. Okay, now it's going to give you a plan, and you can go annually or month. So you can click the annual button or the monthly button. So I would encourage you to check this out. Now for monthly, you're going to get a $1 for the first month, or annually here, you're going to see it's billed annually, and you're going to save some money here over the course of the year. The essential plan is the sort of the baseline plan here. It's $20 a month, and it gets you one online store. And here's the key, unlimited products. It also gets you a landing page, and it gets you abandoned cart recovery. There's a lot of different features here. And as you can see, Everbee is very transparent here. There's a 2% online transaction fee, and that is when you accept payments. The card rate goes down as you go up in scale here. So the core is 67, and then the advanced, you get 6 online stores. Again, unlimited products. You can just scale up. So it depends on your business needs. You can certainly start off with the essential for a very reasonable price. All right, so once you've selected your plan, you can advance to the next step, which is going to your dashboard right here. So right now, I've just got a baseline horror-themed website I've selected my fonts, I've selected my corners, I've selected my color palette, and now I'm going to select Go to Dashboard. All right, now this is a brand new store, so I want to point out I've got no products uploaded yet. This is just a blank template. And as you can see, there's not many options, and that's by design. It's to remove the complexity for people like myself that don't want to spend hours coding HTML. I have some options here on the left-hand side, and I've got a reminder down here at the bottom to connect my Stripe account to begin accepting orders. I'll remind myself later on that. I've got a setup guide right here that I can expand or contract, and really it's just two things. I can add my first product, I can set up my Stripe payment, and I can see down below there's a whole bunch of metrics here that I will hopefully be filling when I make some sales. Now you may be wondering, well, what's the name of my actual store? Well, it's right here. It's horrorthreads.myeverbee.com. And I could change this if I want. I can click the edit button and I can update my site name, add all sorts of information here into the website. So this is my general information. I clicked on the domain tab and I can connect my existing domain. So if you've got a website that you'd like to add, or you're already running on one of these other platforms, you can add it seamlessly right here. There's also a section for the payments and the tax. You'd want to connect your Stripe account here. There's also shipping options. And then there's some advanced stuff here if you're into this sort of thing. Google Analytics, there's tag managers. And this is under the advanced because not everybody would want to use this stuff right away. Now, if you're playing around on here and you're just setting one up and you're nervous that you've made a mistake or you'd like to reset it, that's okay. You can actually reset the website here. You can delete the site. Just be aware that that's a one-way street. You can't undo that. Now in this case, I'm updating my site information here to say Zen Watercooler. And when I click the save button, we'll see here now on my dashboard, you'll see here it says Zen Watercooler at myeverbee.com. So this is my store. You're going to see more videos about this going forward where I'm making things and adding products into my store. So this is just an overview video. There's more to come on the Everbee store front. I can click the preview site button right here on the top right-hand side. And we can see here, this is the actual website. This is zenwatercooler.myeverbee.com. And this is the banner. I could update this over time. I have products here. Now these are just placeholders, but as I add products, this is going to change. And then I've got a great looking website that AI has helped me create in just minutes. Here are a few examples of some stores that have been set up so you can get an idea of what the different features inside of the Everbee store look like. This is an Everbee swag store. This is Everbee's actual store that they're setting up, selling Everbee themed items. This one's called Oak and Ember. This is slow burning scents for soulful spaces. They have different products, mostly candles here, that are being sold. So if you're selling physical goods, you can set up your own website. This is Bailey Tumbler Designs. Check out that striking website. Standout sublimation designs built to sip and shine. How cool is that? This is Bailey, the creator, some social media links. There's memberships, and she has her own domain name that she has integrated seamlessly into her Everbee store. This is Mood Plan, your mindful planner hub. You can browse different planners for use. There's some essentials here. They have a nice clean website that provides value for customers, daily planners, journals, and goal trackers. And this is Evolution Designs, build a business that loves you back. And you can see here there's different kits and learning opportunities for people. So if you're selling online courses, for example, Everbee can be a great solution for that as well. I'll put a link to Everbee in the video description below. Check it out. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you purchase anything from Everbee, I would receive a small commission. I think this is a real game changer. I think that Everbee's done an amazing job of reducing or eliminating the complexity in setting up a website for sellers and creators to do what they do best, spend time creating. I really hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions, throw them down in the comments section below. I'm happy to check them out. Here's another video on how you can have some fun and explore the powers of Everbee.